Yeah guys, so this is Dave and Taste Bud with you once more. But this is not like the usual food spot. This is in a country area, so you know so why I follow them words. What Manchester? Yeah man, I think they are Manchester, so they want to come up here and you know look for a piece of place, so you know, so I decided we're going to cook up some food. So can you feel my love? So we're walking through, I'm going to see like a spot. Yeah, so the country area man, so Pepper Coffee Grove. Yeah man, first time in the place here man, first time. So guess what I'm going to walking through the little place here. Yes. What going to come man, what you have? What you have? Nice, well that man, may I come? Nice. Alright. Where's the camera? Let's go. Come in man. Yeah. Yes. Take it through the bush right here, so. Nice. Yes, here someone. Yeah guys, so take it through the little bush here, so. So you say like me say now I'm gonna run a little cooking man and show them say boy can't cook, but they want to buy fast food. I say no man, let's go buy a 2-pot or a barra pot. Make sure you say Taste Bud can cook too. You know the famous wood fire man. Just put some dirt on the pot and just steam the thing. Yeah man, so nice to hear you. Beautiful place. Alright. Yes, here we go. So don't worry yourself guys, people are here. Civilized time though, folks are here. Nice. Greetings everyone, greetings. Yes, up here so name Happy Grove. Happy Grove. I may be wrong about good old countryman as I might ask him. Happy Grove. Beautiful spot. So I shall take some of those brams right there and cook some food. You have the pot ready? Are you going to cook? Me I go cook man, you must have some pot around there man. Cook some food for the land. Yeah man. So what going on sir? Greetings. How person name again? Happy Grove? Coffee Grove. Nice. Alright, so probably can cut a road go up there then man. Cut a road go up there.
One road, then truck out one road fire if you go to Clarkstone, you know, but you know,
Oh, so you say you clean out the whole of this with your hand?
No, not yet so.
Oh, great. Nice. Yeah,
you
man.
can go right up.
So I show me the people them say, you know, come on the land today and chop out the little place and cook some food. You can cook? What you can cook?
Anything you want to cook.
You can cook lobster?
Well, me never cook yet, but if you
Yeah, so we are back at it again. So you cut down the whisk. Nice.
all them yeah.
Oh, you cut down them tree too?
Yes.
Nice.
Because it in a day way.
Yeah.
But this your man now.
And a duckans full of them. So, duckans. Yeah man, duckans. So you said that what I already laid too?
You go through that hill up so and Pinnacle.
Pinnacle.
Yes.
Wow.
And you can go through your son now
And
go Clarkstone.
So that's our plantain tree and what kind of tree? Breadfruit tree? Yeah man, only a food tree and fever grass. Let me see fever grass. Could I get some of the fever grass of make tea now? Good old fever grass. Yeah man, you have fever grass?
Yeah.
Of course. You come a country and you get everything what you want, you know. Fever grass, breadfruit, I say aki. Mine you know what?
You want to stay over here?
Yeah man. Beautiful landscape man. Wow. Cute here. So this guys what I'm showing you is like cooking food like start and you have the finishing touch. So I take you to this place, you see the start and then trust me, I come back here in the next 1 year time, I shall see the finishing touch. Yeah, man. So that's all right. The breadfruit are the planted. Yeah, guys. So like I said, I'm gonna get a good country vibes. Yeah, taste good. I get a good country vibe. This is the first time I've been into this area so far up in the bush. But they have a project going on, you know, so them call me and say them want to come in, come cook some food. So I said, no, we can't cook. So, you know, I'm not gonna just show you the cooking, guys. I'm just gonna show you the area. Yeah, man, I'm just show you the area. I'm gonna treat this right here, so I'm a pretty shame old lady. You touch it black down. I'll show you the shame old lady right here. So I'll show you the country vibes. Shame old ladies. No, not shame old lady that. Don't even know what kind of bush is that. What kind of bush? Why not a water boat? This place need a water boat. I shall look at one pier. Goaty. Chop you no goat. Nah, chop you no. Can't reach. How far up you go, man? Come, man, come give him. Exercise good for you, come. Go up the hill. You ever come up here? You're like tired today. Exercise good for you, man. That one like she fitted us, I guess, so guys. She's the one normally climb this tree. I need that one up there. I know them gonna say I'm wicked, but she volunteered to climb the tree. See that? Yo, Pops. Why don't you want to come no further?
Exercise good for you.
It's good for me, but my shoes are red up on the ground. Oh, mama, alright, mama, alright. Come for them something here. So this is tuna. So this is just the hot jelly wash off. No wash off nothing else. You can't use my face. You say, you can wash off the face too. Before that one, you hear one? No man, give me that one right. What's on the face? That one I get to be meat tonight. Nice. Yeah, this is my jelly I know. Beautiful jelly. Nice. Sweet man. Sweet.
Sugar.
Them said to wash off the heart. I'm gonna use so much the face.
Yeah.
Just a play man, I never do that.
Wash my face in enough time, you know, like early morning.
You wash your face
But
with jelly
the
water.
sun hot here now.
Yeah.
It's kind of risky because your body hot, you know, so you don't want to cook new moon and so.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
And it's sweet too.
Yeah, man, try style, hot style.
Yeah. So we share some with you guys. Nice. Well, how much cup of jelly in this? How much cup? Probably about 6 cup.
Yeah, man.
Probably about 6 cup. Guys, I first drink a jelly and it can't stop. But guess what? We have done the jelly. We can't dash it away. So inside now we have the meat. Alright, sir?
See you here.
See you here. So guess what now? We're going to get the meat. So I'm going to bust it up here now. Yeah, show the great man where I did the jelly work.
That is it, huh?
Yeah man, the great man just chop up him jelly a while ago. Alright, spoon up on my one. My one. Me tell you, I never want your one because your one look like you see a little bit of meat in your one. A whole lot of meat in my own. Yes.
Yeah, the one there enough for meat for real.
Yes man, whole heap of meat in my own man. Alright. Yeah man, so when me think me have video, me never have video. Alright, Passy. So I know I don't see Pops miss at all, you know, so Pops now get no bun at all, you know. Yes man. Yeah, drink out to Pops. Wash off the high.
See you here.
Yeah, Pops now need to wash off the heart. They need to wash off the heart, man. That done already?
I'm done it fast.
Like me get the biggest one. Me get the biggest one.
One chop.
Alright, give me that there. You can swing that with him.
Yeah,
Help him
man.
carry down them three there.
Alright.
So we'll come chat with you. No man, left your stir man. You can't left your walk with him go down and carry them three jelly there.
Look at that one. Look at that too.
Yeah man, them jelly them want to walk with. Go down and carry this. So on, so no cane on the boat? No cane?
Yeah, they're young.
Oh, them young.
Young ones are about next 3 months or so.
Alright.
Then me have enough here.
Nice.
They make old man for it.
Yeah, so I see jerk chicken up the road. Say me can catch a piece of jerk chicken up the road. So I go and just drive past a jerk man a while ago. So I go up the road and ask him, oh, I'm selling jerk chicken. Yes, jerk chicken and probably soup up the road. Come over that side. Give me. The sun is blazing hot. I guess the storm it up there so real bad. People them bounce back from Melissa. Yeah man, so I'm walking towards that jerk chicken man to so I go on up there. Stand up.
But here I am.
Well, I buy jerk chickens. And besides soup. Yeah man, I want one soup at too man. Show them beautiful soup, you know. So is that every week thing, this every day thing?
No, it's just drink one today.
Oh.
Next month, and June, you're going to have one.
Oh. How much for the cup of soup?
2 bits.
2 bits, alright. And your jerk chicken a toast and a quart.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Yeah. Okay, so you have the beautiful soup over there, so. Yeah, man. You want soup? Give me a soup. So what do you want? Chicken too? Fish? Good old fish. How much you sell the fish for?
2 grand out.
2 grand a one? Alright, great. Nice place to get fish up here, so. Yeah. But like I say, guys, I mean, something different going on today. Yeah. I need a water, something to drink cool. Tell him to come. Call him also. Come. So what in here, sir? Yeah, man, be there. Oh, Sharon. Where you run from there, man? Look at that nice face. She come right here, sir. She not come right here, sir. Oh, you said, what is that? Chicken back or chicken?
Chicken back.
So when you come advertise it, man, I come and make your advertisement. I get advertisement. I'm David Taste Bud. I'm a YouTuber, but this is not a usual me on the flex, but you don't know me stuff for me food. Yes. Normally, when I'm there food spot. Alright, so nice. Go, what's it? Chicken? What's jerk chicken or fried chicken? What's it?
Fried chicken back, chicken leg fried.
What should I add from? I want in your room you dance, see? But no, you're from camera.
So you want fries only to myself?
So we're going. Yes, of course. So you say Angela for your chicken back. Nice. So you see like a chicken back right here. Nice. You can end this right here. You know? We never planned for it, guys, but trust me, I couldn't pass her at all. So she's so far away, but me I come make a date with her. You know? I want to try her chicken back. Maybe see a chicken back. Give me a piece of chicken back there. It's what, fried chicken back or jerk chicken back? Come on. I'm gonna try a piece. I don't want to eat with liquor miss food. Alright, so. Eh? I like pepper, you know. People on the TV know that too, but we're gonna try the pepper same way. Give me a little piece. Yeah, we're gonna try your thing same way, I boss you same way. So I gotta tell them how much for you there, you know. Yeah, man. Tell them what you sell too. Alright?
You want some of this? Or you want this?
No, that look too hot. That look too hot. So now they're school today. From school already?
No, we never got to school.
Oh, you stay home today. So you go school tomorrow. Nice. Alright, here you go. And then we wrap it up and now them have to eat the thing at the people them see me eat the thing now. I'm telling you, man. Got to eat. Them see we eating. Yes, so guys, so we'll try the good old chicken back right here. Oh, big party again. So this is good old chicken back right here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Drink out, we come over. We're all in singing, you can get on one bag.
Around piece of meat, take me. A chicken, she's a chicken back, but a chicken is. No one back here. We need back, can you give me chicken? This is pretty good right here. I can eat our food too. Chop everything in there. She's sharing them, I can eat our food. Yes, see her right here. Yes, man. So yes guys, like I said, I'm in the country. Something different, but why not show you the place? Of course. I love chicken back guys. That's the bony part of chicken back. Yeah man. What you say? Sorry for busting me, but I shouldn't invite me. Never want to tell them what my bus.
Tell me later.
Alright. So now you need to tell the people about your place, man.
Hi guys.
Wait, so show them you. Yeah, so this is lovely lady where I passed a while ago and I'm saying I have to come back and give her a little strength and buy something from her now. So I buy my nice little chicken back from her. So what's your name?
So my name is Marisha.
Marisha.
Yes.
Tell them where you're at right now and how them can find you. Can't be the fire them.
Yeah, you can find us in Bottom Coffee Grove. We are in Porus, Manchester.
Nice.
Manchester.
Nice.
Right at the container.
Yes.
And we sell chicken and chips, fried dumpling, fried chicken neck, fried chicken back,
Yeah.
hot dog, chicken burger, beef burger,
Yeah.
rice, white rice, curry chicken back, brown stew chicken back.
So long you been doing this? Long time?
Long time.
How long?
At one point I did pause
No, you did pause for a while.
for a while,
Yeah.
and it went overseas.
Oh.
So yeah, so
Come back and show them say,
Yes.
show them for cook chicken back.
yes, so
Yes, ma'am.
this is where I am at every day.
Yeah.
This is my location.
Nice.
Right here in Bottom Coffee Grove.
So you start a business on your mommy?
I'm the
You?
one that started this.
Nice.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm Davian Taste Bud. We just make a country flex and then I say food, so I say no, I'm to come do a little thing.
Okay.
Yeah, and just go and dry it, hold it.
That's right.
Which is great. So them have a party here later?
Yes.
Oh. So you need to fry up more chicken back then, man, and fries. Oh. So, we did on TikTok. I know when you're on TikTok, you're dancing. Don't it? Look at this lovely little young lady. Feeling sick, never go to school today, so she come buy a nice what, chicken butt. No man, she's sick man, she come buy soup. She come follow me and buy soup. My soup done, so I buy soup again for so. Nice, alright. So, say hi to your friend.
Hello.
Nice.
I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. It's being I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not.
If we try to, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get your shoes on, we're going dancing. These little problems, we could solve them. Try another, but I know you've got one. But there's no hurry, the limelight's calling.